Hey there, welcome to Flatbread Friday. I had some stuff kicking around in my refrigerator. I had some cooked bacon, I had some cooked chicken, and today we're going to do a barbecue chicken bacon ranch pizza. And it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be delicious, and let's do it. The only crust I could find in the store this week was a Poppin' Fresh crust. This one is a thin one. We're going to fold in the edges all the way around like we've done before. Roll them in. And then with our thumb and our forefinger, we're going to crimp these, pinch them up, give them some edge. We're gonna go all the way around, and then we're gonna par bake this guy for about 8 minutes. Looks like that. While the crust is par baking, we're gonna make ourselves some sauce for our pizza. So we're gonna use some regular sauce mixed with some barbecue sauce, and that's going to be our pizza sauce. We have some diced up chicken breast, and to keep it moist, we're also going to add a little barbecue sauce to it and coat those pieces lightly because we don't want it too soupy. Now we are ready, as soon as our crust is out of the oven, ready to build it and bake it. Our par-baked crust is out of the oven, and now a little sauce. I made too much, but we'll use that for something else. And spread that all around. Okay, our sauce is on, and now it's time for some mozzarella. Spread that evenly all around too. Now it's time for our barbecued chicken. Next thing we're going to do is our chopped and cooked bacon. Followed by some sliced red onion. Okay, that's all the toppings that are going on for now. We're going to go into a 425 oven for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to finish it up and serve it up. Our barbecue chicken bacon ranch pizza is out of the oven, and Kelly's talking, so are the other dogs in the neighborhood. Now we're gonna slice it up and serve it. Okay, here we are sliced up and on our plate. And for garnish today, we're going to use a little bit of chopped scallions that are gonna go all over the place. Followed by a drizzle of ranch dressing. Here's where the chicken bacon ranch part comes in. And here we have it, tangy, creamy, and delicious. Happy Flatbread Friday. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Flatbread Friday. Can't wait to eat this yummy barbecue chicken bacon ranch pizza. It's gonna be so good, and let's stay tuned and see what we do next week. And thanks for joining me again.